Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Rough Ranger here. And today we're going to go ahead and review this. You might remember this from the Apocabox that we unboxed not very long ago. Alright, so we're going to open this. I just gotta figure out how to open this. I don't know how to open it. Use this. So here it is. So what it looks like. Now it has this thing that you grip, like so. You grip it like this and do this with your knife or whatever. Pretty durable. Feels pretty nice. So I'm actually gonna use the instructions. Here's the instructions. Throw that down and put this away and take ourselves to this stuff here. To add a sharp edge to very dull blades, hold this super knife sharpening system firmly on a level flat surface. Okay, this is what we're gonna do, guys. Check this out. Okay, so gonna open our Smith & Wesson thing out, and you're just gonna pull this back and forth, okay? Anyhow, but this is what it looks like now. Pretty nice thing there. So we're actually gonna check it out on a piece of paper, and here we go. We're gonna check it out over here, okay? Ready? Okay. Yeah. This knife is now sharpened. The most awesome thing ever. Super knife sharpening system. I recommend getting it. You can't get it actually. You actually can get it in the Apocabox. Make sure to go check out my Apocabox video on more information on how to get your own Apocabox. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.